Just got new Joy-Cons, switched consoles, or want to try a new way to play? Making sure your Joy-Cons are synced right is important. Here's how to connect your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons with or without the Joy-Con grip. Let's jump in. Method 1. Sync wirelessly. Use this if you're playing detached or syncing a controller not currently connected. On the home menu of your Nintendo Switch, go to Controllers, select Change Grip/Order. Now press and hold the small sync button on the top edge of the Joy-Con near the SL/SR buttons. Wait for the lights to start flashing. The Joy-Con will appear on screen once synced. Just press the L and R button on your controller a few times and it will sync the grip order. Method 2. Sync with the Joy-Con grip. If you're using the Joy-Con grip to make it feel like a traditional controller, first, sync both Joy-Cons using the method above. Once they're synced, slide them into the Joy-Con grip. It works the same way you slide the Joy-Cons into your Nintendo Switch. In the grip, the system will treat them as one controller for gameplay. Now remember that the Joy-Con grip itself doesn't have a Bluetooth or a chip, it just holds both Joy-Cons. You need to pair the Joy-Cons first. After syncing, your Joy-Cons will connect automatically whenever you use them again. No need to do it again unless you change consoles or unpair them. That's how you sync Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons, whether on their own or with the Joy-Con grip. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy Switch tips. Thanks for watching.